Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today we're going to use the Ooni Fyra. I haven't used it in a while. Haven't videoed it anyway. I'm going to do a pizza from frozen. So first things we got to do is get this lit up, and I'm doing a frozen pizza. It's not a DiGiorno like the last one. This one is going to go in frozen, and I'm going to do it a little bit different. I'm not going to wait for this to get up to 750 degrees. I'm just going to put it in probably right around 400 degrees, and hopefully that'll get it thawed and cooked and be perfect. And anyway, let's get this thing lit up. So the Ooni Fyra is just about up to 400 degrees. Not taking it super hot to get it started. I've got my Italian sausage and pepperoni from Open Nature. It's frozen right out of the freezer. We'll just take this out of the box right now. Just show you here. There it is, frozen. Take the plastic off. It says cook it for 17 minutes, but it won't take that long. This is a thin crust. Make sure you get the cardboard off of there. Okay, let me check the temp here. 350 in about the center, 400 towards the back. So let's get this in here. Alright. Now we'll let it go for probably for about 25-30 seconds. Then I'll check it. I'm gonna keep checking it, gonna rotate it. Don't want it to burn. I think it'll work. We put it in at a cooler temp, so let's just let it roll. Then about 30 seconds. Go hard. Go another 30. Another 30. Your stuff's starting to sizzle. Starting to get soft. But it is thawing out. 30 more. 30. Another 30. We are starting to see some color. I have reduced down to 25 seconds. Just want to make sure we don't burn it. I'm going to go probably another 25. Starting to look pretty good. Center. Warm. Okay. Another 25. Look at that. Let me just check the tip now. Okay, so we're still rolling right about 350 internal. These sides are looking good. Put it back that way a little bit. Go 25 more. That. Well, that's looking good. Not doing too bad. Still 350. 180, 190. I'm going to go for 20 seconds for a few times, see how that goes. Okay, now let's get this sliced up. I'm going to slice this one into 8 slices. Seems to be cutting really nice. Good looking pizza here. Let's look at the bottom. Oh, it's done. Doesn't look too bad. Gonna give it a taste test. There's one little piece there. Bottom is not brown, it's not burnt. I'm gonna give it a try. I did not want to burn the toppings, but it looks like it's done. It's hot. It is done. It's thin crust, so it's done. It's good. It worked. It's really good. Okay, well, there you go. Frozen pizza in the Ooni Fyra. From frozen to cooked. I don't know, what do we do, about 6-7 minutes? So this is the next day after we had the pizza. I just wanted to do an afterthought on that pizza. It came out really delicious. It was very good. It was a thin crust. It took, what, like 6 minutes? The only thing I think the next time that I'll do is when it's getting done towards the end there, I think I'll take it out, close the Ooni Fyra back up and let it heat up, maybe to 600-700 degrees like it's supposed to, and then put the pizza back in so I can get that bottom crust just a little bit crispier. It was a thin crust. It was cooked all the way through, but it was a little limp. It wasn't really toasty on the bottom, which a normal thin crust would be. So that's probably what I'd do the next time, is just let the uni heat up that bottom stone, put it back in just for, you know, probably 20-25 seconds or 20 seconds, turn it. You know, I don't want to burn it, but I want to get that bottom crisped up a little bit more. But hey, it was a frozen pizza. It worked. So hey, what can you say? It was delicious. It was a very good pizza. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.